Welcome to the graffiti jungle. Parlo Pulingue. Benvenuti nella giungla di graffiti. Questo è Impostore Rockstar. It's the fake rockstar chat show. Pensieri Tangentiali, formerly known as Tangential Thoughts Chat Show. We're going to put a break on the podcast for a little bit. Maybe kind of sort of. We're still, that's up for debate. Sono tuo capo, io sono Chief Jahar Julius Caesar Augustus. All right. I think, yeah, it's worth it, right? Never mind. I was trying to see, should I make this with the fake rock star? Should this be episodio? Nope, because I can't even remember my numbers right now. So nope, we're not going to add it to the fake rock star playlist. We're not going to do that. But it is going into an unboxing. It will go to the Murph soft launching and soft launching. I'm gonna add it to a couple playlists. It just won't be in the fake rock star episode. We're gonna, yeah, because okay, we got a merch unboxing. We got merch unboxing. So the first merch unboxing, it was just a shirt. It was a SS25 Spring Summer 25 Project Extinction shirt. And then the second unboxing was the Narc shirt and the Graffiti Jungle hat. And then now we're unboxing just a bandana. The title of this bandana is called Me and Bailee Woulda Had Matching Bandanas. I only got one. It actually ended up being a prototype, like a one piece, and whether that's good or bad, I'm not sure. But it's on a white palette colorway. I just updated it though, so it should be on like a tan. It should be on a softer sand colorway, and it should be a little bit cleaner and better. So it becomes like a prototype almost. So here's ready for this unboxing, and then we'll go from there. Let me see. All right. Okay, let's do it like that. I actually have a whatchamacallit, but never mind. We're not even gonna do that. Okay. All right. Here we go. All right. So I'm looking at it. I'm already hyped. Hold on. I'm already hyped. All right. Hold on. Because one of the things was the clarity, right? We're gonna look on the clarity on this thing. So, the way I went about designing it, I could have had it even like a crisper type of whatchamacallit, but I was just like, I'm excited, so let me just try to do this now, do what I can now. It could have been an even more crisper, cleaner design. So the fact that I just seen what I saw, just that little bit, it was just like, all right, yeah, it might be all right. So let's check this Jane out. Let's do this. All right. Let's put this there. All right. Let's see if we can tell what everything is. Can we tell what everything is? All right. Hold on. Now, they come in different sizes. So this is another thing. This is my first time ordering like one of the bandanas on that. They come in different sizes. This is a large. Yeah, it's a large. All right. Okay, I probably shouldn't have got a large. I probably shouldn't have got a large. I don't know. But it's looking good. I'm excited. Hold on. All right, so this is the bandana. A large. This is a large. All right, I didn't think it was going. Pause. I didn't think it was going to be this big. This is huge. All right, so the way I designed it, wow. I designed it this way. So it's like this set of designs. This is the first way. And then I also designed it so that if it's back this way, it's a second set of designs. Everything looks good. Everything is clear. I'm excited. So let's, I guess we gotta get into the details. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna go with this half because okay. Yo, all right, hold on. This is the side I'm really I really like this side, but I was like, I still like all this stuff that I like. All right, so there's Cyclops. There's the Cyclops Project Extinction. This is what I'm saying. Like, I like this on a shirt, I didn't want it small on the shirt, right? You got the little shoes there. There's the horror film, and there's Wolverine. There's more shoes. It was some girl. She said she liked when Paul's in it. Raw vibe. Yeah. Then what's the next one say? I don't care who in this room. Okay, I don't care who in the room. I'm in this bitch too. The elephant. I don't care who in this room. I'm in this bitch too. The elephant in the room. I'm the elephant in the room. Yeah. Yeah. All right. And then so like I was even sitting there looking at it. So I did it. I did. It turned out like I thought it was going to. I'm happy and I'm excited because I was like, even if I do like this, these other two, I was like, you're gonna kind of see it wrap on the other side, but it gives you something to look forward to on the other side. And so like I knew that this was gonna show on the other side, so I wanted to do that. That's one. All right. Now this is the side I was really pressed about. Now again, having a piece, Graffiti Jungle, Project Extinction, Chief Jahara, all of that, all there in one. Write your name on to make you feel special. If you know Wayne, yeah. There go to Astro Boy. So now when I sit and talk about certain designs, hold on, what that thing say? Favorite what? Yeah. Hold on. They go to Kung Lao. And then there is the NASCAR. Wow. Yeah. So this is a large. This is the large. Wow. Hold on. Yeah. And then the purpose was to be able. I did it right, bro. I'm happy I did it right. Like, it was one thing to sit there and design it, but then like, I did it right. Yeah. Now, again, this is a large. I probably could have a smaller one, maybe. But I'll rock with it. Now, the next one that I was sitting there trying to design and think about. Now, see, with this as is, it's gonna end up being upside down. So I made a design today so that I could either the design that I made today was either one to go like this, or if you did decide to go like this, it would still work out. That's a whole nother joint. So that's one. So then the next thing to do is to see how it looks. Just gonna roll it, fold it. I'm gonna fold it. Should I? It's like origami. All right, we gotta try to figure this little part out, but I'm gonna just, as is, I'm gonna just roll it down, and then just to see like the colors, how it looks in that sense. Because this is what I was talking about. The other way to wear a bandana is gonna look. It comes down to you may not see the entire design. So it's going to come down to you folding it in such a way so that it shows and what is showing and what's not showing. So those types of things, as you can see right there. Also, I'm going to test this out, but that's the QR code. And so somebody be like, yo, where'd you get that from? Scan the QR code take you to the website. Business. Yeah, we did that right. I might see if I can tie this some other ways, just to see some other stuff that kind of shows. But again, it can kind of lead to a conversation like, what's on your bandana? Like, what is that? I think one more way to wear it, I think, is just like, you see like that. And you could just have it, you know what I'm saying? Whatchamacallit, show a back part. So yeah. Or come back to the front. So, you know what I'm saying, making it smaller. not rolling it, making it roll up just enough, and then still on. There's again like that. And so even now I just made it smaller and just, yeah.